asked tonight after the show if
Why?
we're doing this robot thing all night. He doesn't look like a robot, right? No, it's embarrassing.
I don't look like a robot. I look like Morrissey.
No. You kind of look like Morrissey, but we all know who he really looks like.
Yeah, Quentin Tarantino.
Exactly. I met Quentin Tarantino once, and I swear to you, it was a long time ago. I had a picture of my band in the car because our CD just came out, and I was eating in LA, and he
Self-titled.
came in. This is the truth. I went and got the picture, and I said, "Hey, my singer looks like you," and he said, "Hey, that guy's handsome." He's actually nice. All right, we're gonna shut up now.
James Dean, kind of.
I look like Sloth from the Goonies.
I would say James Dean.
Thank you. But you're crazy. All right, here we go. We're gonna shut up now. Thank you guys for sticking around. We appreciate it.
That was such a short goodbye. Never gets it.